go back here. Guys, we're here now. There's the forklift. I'll try to talk the supervisor again. Supervisor of cementing. Here. This one. It's there. Boss! Woo! Boss! 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 Can you talk the forklift again?
Yeah, we are trying because this time is wrong time.
Yes.
Chemical should be before.
Aywa.
This is last moment leak is down and there's chemical. How is no?
Yeah.
I give already shit. I like you this one. 2, 3, 4 days before one week there. Nobody there.
Aywa.
This is wrong time. But I try because see this one.
Yeah, yeah. I almost 2 hours now here. I tried before I coming. I took the forklift, but it said
I check is my friend.
yeah. Okay, boss. Thank you. This the tripod, boss. Ready for removal, sir?
Yeah, yes, exactly.
Okay.
Where is the pusher drone?
Before I come here, the pusher is here, but now I think it's outside.
What is here?
Yeah. Okay. I go back to my truck again.
Don't worry, I'm done if get is coming.
Very hot here, very hot. Yes, boss. Thank you. So, guys, that is the supervisor. Go side. Go side. And I talked to the supervisor again. So, said, need to wait. Because the forklift is very busy. So, I go back to my truck. It's very hot. Woohoo! Woohoo! 67. Okay. So. So, what's it? We need to wait. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for support my video. Just click the button of subscribe and click the notification bell to update for the next video. So guys, syukran.